Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have gave you a brief introduction to IoT. In this video, I will tell you in detail what is IoT and what are things in IoT. That is, our today's agenda is what is IoT and what are things in IoT. What is IoT? Let's understand this taking an example. Take for example a car whose GPS system and engine connected with the IoT device, and the connected IoT device with internet platform. Think of a situation where then the mate, for example car, comes with an accident. The IoT device understands this and automatically sends an alert with location to concerned police station or nearby hospital. This is what Internet of Things is. The car is connected with internet so send an alert, and the nearby hospital connected with internet to receive that alert message and take necessary action to save the person who came with accident. Now the next question is, what are things in IoT? What are things in IoT? So the things can be clothes, objects, television, shoe, anything that you can think of. The things can be anything you can connect or make it connected to IoT using few sensors and circuits to share and receive data over the internet. For example, let's consider the chair at your home. Now you can connect it with sensors which can calculate weight of a person, keep a count on number of person who have sat on the chair by using some sensors, then connecting them to cloud and finally receiving data at user end, making the chair a IoT device.